So here's the first piece of shiplap that I've installed over top of the window, and I'm going to take advantage of this cavity here and build a shelf that recesses in and uses up some of this cavity. Got a problem. After fitting my shelf in, I realized I have a slight problem that I need to decide on what to do. My van wall runs out, so it's not running straight up and down, it's slanting outwards. And when I put my shelf in, if I want to follow the van wall, that means the shelf would be tilted. And now my bottom is being tilted out, and that's not going to work. Or I can have the shelf run straight up and down, and then the wall panels that I'm going to put on are going to expose more and more of the side of the shelf. So I need to decide, am I going to have the shelf running vertical with the wall when I put the wall boards on, and this is going to stick out a lot more, or am I going to tilt the shelf parallel to the wall angle and then have the shelves raised up on an angle so they actually sit flat? So I've decided that I want the shelf to be on an angle so that the reveal of the side is the same coming down this wall, and I'm going to have to take the shelf apart and cut it so I get this bottom piece running parallel to the floor. I've now marked where I need to cut it, and I'm going to take it all apart and cut the sides and put it back together again so that I can put the shelf, when I install the shelf, that it's going to be falling back with the van. Thank goodness I didn't glue this together. Thought about gluing it, but I thought it was kind of a small box or shelf, so I didn't bother. That's top, bottom. Well, this time I think I'm going to glue it. I'm going to go out on a limb and I'm going to glue the wires together because I've taken it apart so many times. I think I need to put some glue onto the ends.